we are discussing about expression, right, that day, in our last class.
Yeah.
So if you see from source we are getting employee number, first name, middle name, last name, gender, marital status, salary, and DEBT. This is our source table structure, and this is our target table structure. So yes, that day we discussed about the expression, right?
Yes.
So I'm taking expression transformation here. See, take expression transformation. Take first name, middle name, last name columns. Whenever you are dragging any column, by default it will come as a input port and output port. See, input port and output port. See, just I am writing all the columns. Just select start from EMP, it will display 4 columns, 4 records. If I am writing like this, select if it is database, I can write this type of queries, right, directly. The same way, using Informatica, I am trying to write first name concatenation, middle name concatenation, last name as full name columns. So for this purpose, what we are doing is I am using a expression transformation here. Here first name, middle name, last name I am taking. I am creating a extra port. That port name is full name. And I am taking string of, say, suppose if you want you can take the 20 also, and I am making it as the output port. Whenever I am making it as the output port, it is enabling. See, this window is enabling. So go to here, now write the conditions. First name concatenation, middle name concatenation, last name. Validate. It's a transformation here based on this, see, full name column. If you want remaining columns, you can connect directly, or else you can connect to here, from here to there you can connect. Order of the ports, it doesn't matter for you. Salary and DEBT number. Remaining ports as it is, just it's a input and output ports. As these ports you can. If you want, you can change the order also. Say suppose you are expecting first name, fine. See, say suppose you have a gender and marital status, just drag gender and marital status. If you are not using, that's fine. See, this is the expression transformation. Fine, sir. So now for this mapping, I am creating a workflow. Workflow_ext. Create a session. m_expression is our mapping name. Link these 2 tasks. Okay. Just arrange that. Now edit your session. Go to mapping tab. Where is your source connection? Where is your target connection? Yes, it is pointing to Oracle connecting string Scott. Fine. Save your data. Before running this, check the target table data. I am connecting to target table Scott. Okay. What is our target table data? TGT employee, right? Take this target table data. Let me check whether we have any data. Select star from TGT employee. I have some data. What I am doing is I am deleting existing data from the target table. Okay, now I will load fresh data, right? I want to check how it is loading. Start your job. So it's running. Succeeded. Get run properties. See, the job is completed successfully, and it is selecting 4 records from the source and is inserting 4 records into your target table. Okay, now select star you loaded your source data into your target table. Now query your target table. Select star from target table data. See what I am doing? Just first name concatenation, middle name concatenation, last name. See, getting, say suppose your first name and middle name there is no space, right? It's looking some hard. Kiran space Kumar or Hima. So now if you want, we can add anything here. See, first name, concatenation, some space, concatenation, middle name. Validate. I am adding in between some space between first name and middle name. Save your mapping. Go to your workflow menu. I did some changes in my mapping. Refresh your mapping. Yes, it's refresh. Validate. Save. Now again start your job. See, again 4 records loaded. Again query your target table. It's not coming any.
You need to put actual spaces. Just put the quotes.
Yeah.
Yes. See. Now 4 records loaded. See, all these 4 records, Kiran space Kumar space K. Getting, sir?
Yeah.
So this is expression. See, and if you see, and one more thing we have. Say suppose if it is, see, this is a runtime activity actually. If you see the mapping flow, records always, first record will come from source to source qualifier. In source qualifier, I have a full name column. The condition is Kiran Kumar K, concatenation first name. So this record will go to next level and will be inserted into target table. So say suppose if it is your database, if you are writing select ID first name, all these columns, you will get the 4 records, right? Say suppose if you are writing queries like this, select ID. Case when gender equal to male, then Mr. concatenation first name, middle name, last name. I can write queries like this, right? Agree? Some case statements I am writing. See, I am writing queries like this. Then how many records it will display?
4.
Again 4, right? So if you want to write this type of case statements, how we will do it in the expression transformation? If it is database, just I am selecting case, then gender equal to male, then Mr. concatenation full name, then gender equal to female and the marital status equal to single, then Miss concatenation first name, concatenation middle name, concatenation last name. When gender equal to female and the marital status equal to married, then Mr.'s concatenation, Mrs. concatenation, first name, middle name, last name. Okay, sir. So, in database we can write this type of case statement. But if it is Informatica, how to get this type? See, now go to here. I have a gender and marital status columns also, right? Now what I will do is, I can write if statements. If syntax is, if you see here, if you go to all functions in your expression, whenever your expression, go to expression transformation, you can see the all functions tab. See, all these are the functions.
So we don't have case statement in Informatica?
No, we don't have. We have if statements. If IIF. If, how we will write it is if. Yes, sir.
You don't have case statement in Informatica?
No case statement. We will let you using the if, IIF, if See
Okay.
how it will come if gender equal to male. Then if gender equal to male, some XYZ, else ABC. Say suppose this is if statement. It will work like this. If gender equal to male, then it will populate XYZ. Otherwise ABC.
You have to write
So,
nested
yes,
if.
yes. Here in XYZ, see two statements. Just if gender equal to male, then something. Else something, right? We are writing case statement means this is functionality. So how Informatica will treat this? If gender equal to male, then what we are planning to do? Else what we are planning to do? Just close the bracket. So now what I am doing is if gender equal to male, then I am writing like Mr. dot concatenation. See, Mr. is hard-coded value I am putting in the quotation. Before name I am planning to put Mr. When I will put Mr. If he is a male, then I will put Mr. Then Mr. followed by first name, middle name, last name. Else you can give anything. Again else I am giving again if statement. See, if gender equal to female. If gender equal to female, how we will give? We cannot give based on the gender equal to female column, right? We have to consider and matter
Matter.
equal to, right?
Yeah.
Married. Married. Then same again same. I am taking this. Then Mr. Yes, right? Else. Yes. Okay. Again, if gender equal to male and marital status equal to single, then miss. Now, no need to put again. The complete statements are open, right? Close the bracket 3 times. Okay, so it will take one record. In that particular one record, it will take the number of columns. It will check whether the source record is gender equal to male or female, then marital status equal to single or married. Based on that, it will generate the full name column. Validate.
So Sampath, you don't have to specify the last else statement, like if it doesn't satisfy any of them?
See, maximum these three are the possibility cases, right? For me, no?
It can be null.
If you have any other case, you can put it as unknown. Say suppose.
Yeah.
If you are expecting, yeah, sir.
You have to specify, or is it just optional?
It's optional, sir. It's optional. See, but there is no chance, right? Maybe you will get male or female. If it is female, single or married. Other than that, there is no chance. If you are expecting any such type of data, sometimes we will have such type of requirements. If it is not satisfying all the possibility cases, go and populate unknown or not available or something.
Yeah.
It's there. Yes. If you want, you can populate. Okay. See, now this is your full name column. Select this full name column. Select link path and click on backward. See, your full name is generating based on the first name, middle name, last name, gender and marital status, right? See, if you see your salary column, say suppose I am selecting my salary column. See, it's a straightforward column. But coming to employee number, it's a straightforward column. See, but if you consider your full name column, It's a combination of 5 columns. That's the reason it is showing all the links. How it is generating. Okay.
So, somewhat in our expression, if sex is not populated, like if it's null, the full name will become null also, right? That will be the outcome because we don't have any other case, right?
Sorry. When you will expect null?
If in our expression, if the gender is unknown,
then it will give null.
yes.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So refresh your mapping, save your job, start. See 4 records selected. Go to your target table, query your target table. See, now your target table is data is populating with Mr. Kiran Kumar. If you want, select your source table, select star from. It is, see, gender equal to male. For gender, you are getting Mr. Fine. When gender equal to female and married, see Mr. Nagapavan. Female and single, it is giving Miss. So our logic is working fine. Agree?
Yeah.
So any questions, sir? So expression is a passive transformation. You can type this type of statements in expression. So it's clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in the expression, it's a very, very powerful transformation, sir. Say suppose I want to populate some extra column. Yes, you can populate here. I want to populate, like say suppose I am planning to populate some hard-coded values, Sampath. Yes, you can populate. For each record, it is passing through that expression. It will generate, if you have any column here, just connect that one. So all records will have one more extra column like Sampath. Just like, see, select start from here. I can write like this, right? Just say dummy ports. Select just Sampath as name from EMP. So, and remaining columns if you want. So like this expression will generate some extra ports if you want. Okay, going forward we'll see in some other examples. So if you want, you can convert date to string. See, if you see the functions, say suppose character functions. See, lower, LPAD, RPAD, replacing, substring, in-string, uppercase, everything we have, and conversion, 2 date, 2 char, 2 decimal, 2 float, 2 integer, and the data cleansing functions, is null, not is null, LTrim, RTrim, substring, see, 2 decimal, 2 float again, date functions, add to date, last date, get date part, get date difference, date comparison, system timestamp, 2 char, truncate, encoding, and we have MD5 function also. I will tell you what is MD5, and financial functions like see, rate, even I am not sure, sir, what is this PMT. Maybe if you enter into banking, maybe you can see N percentage is there. FE means returns the value of the investment based upon the rate. Okay.
Simple. Can I ask you one quick question, very general?
Yeah.
Not only about it, so it applies not only to this expression operator, but also like, if you have like this native commands like IIF, right? And really in Oracle, when you execute, this is case statement or decode or whatever. So how does it execute? It executes IIF in Informatica.
Yes.
And when it extracts from Oracle, does it execute case at all anywhere or
no? see, just it will execute select star from EMP. All the data will come on to the integration service side, your Informatica integration service side. There your transformation logic will be taken care. See, when you are running your job, just a minute. See, when you are running your job, actually when you are executing your job, your integration service is there, right? Here. Your source is here. Based on our connecting strings we are providing, right? When you are starting your job, your integration service will communicate to repository services and will communicate to repository. It will take all the code into integration service. Based on the code, it will generate a query to the source database. Select start from EMP. So it will select all the 4 records or 14 records onto the integration service side. Then it will calculate the transformation logic. It will apply the transformation logic here. So what it says, suppose if you have filter like DEPT equal to 10, yes, if it is 10, then it will issue true to the integration service. If it is not equal to 10, it will issue false like this. And if you considering expression, one record is coming first name, middle name, last name, if else, IIF, D code. All this transformation logic will be taken care by integration service, and whatever the after completion of your transformation logic, that record will be inserted into your target table. So you are writing if statement, that statement won't work, won't execute on your database side. First it will select that data into your integration service side, then your transformation logic will work here. Clear?
So it extracts all the data, fetches the data from the database without doing any transformations, and then it does the transformation in the integration service.
Yes, exactly. Okay. That's the reason I showed you this PPT, right? See.
Okay, thank you.
When you are executing your job, let me clear it again. When you are, see, this is your mapping. It's an empty pipeline. I told you, right? Your mapping is an empty pipeline. Whenever you are starting your job, your integration service will connect to your source database and will extract the first record actually. Okay, that record will flow through your pipeline. So, in the pipeline you have some transformation logic, right? As per your transformation logic, the data will change, and these fields we are loading into target table. And again from here, insert statement will be executed onto your target database with these values.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, got it. Yeah. So once you are done with source culture, again you will have clear picture, sir. Fine. So this is expression, sir. And we have variable port here. See, as of now we are seeing input port, output port, and we have variable port. What is variable port? In going forward, we will see in another example. Okay. The best example we have going forward for variable ports, we will see what is variable port. Okay. Now, select star from EMP. Just set line size and then select star from EMP. See, just I want to know total salaries. What you will do, sir? See, I have 14 records. I want to know total salaries paying to all the employees. Then what you will do? Select sum of salaries from EMP. Right? This is the amount I am paying to all the employees. And if you consider, you have 14 employees and all 14 employees are working in different locations, departments. See? We have 10th department 1 employee and 20th department 1 employee, and we have 3 employees coming to 28. So if you want to select sum of salary, comma, DEPT number from EMP group by DEPT number. Means, see, from the set of 14 records, how many employees we have in DEPT number? Equal to 10. We have 3 employees. For each 2,450 and 5,000 and some 1,300. See, we are going to pay 8,750 rupees for the DEPT 10. In the same way, for Department 20, you are going to pay this much salary and DEPT. So, this type of situations, how we will handle using Informatica. Getting my point? All group by activities. Summation, aggregations, minimum of salary, max of salary. So, in this type of situations, we have a transformation called aggregator. Okay. Now I am creating another transformation, m_aggregator. Okay. I am taking my source table as my employee table. Take the employee table. This is my employee table. Okay. See, sorry. Okay. As of now, what we are doing, sir, your source table and your target table, both structures are available in your database. We are importing your source and target table structures, right? See, we are connecting to database from Informatica and we are importing the source table and target table structures from your database, right, sir? Agree?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, what I will do is, I am planning to create a new table here. See, I have a create option here. Create. What type of table you are planning to create? I am planning to create some Oracle table. See, and say suppose table name is TGT_AGG or something. This is my table name. Okay. Now edit your table. I am going to add few columns here. Say suppose total salary and it's a number of 10,2 or something. Okay. See, this is my target. Save it. See, we have created a target table structure. Now this is your expression and go to your target table. I have created one target table structure here, right? See, this is our target table structure now. Okay, in between I will use some transformation and I will connect to this target table. So, earlier what we are doing, your source table structure and your target table structure, both tables are available in the database. We are importing the structure of the tables into Informatica side. Now what I am doing is, it's a vice versa. This target table structure is there in the database now. Guys, this target
It's
table
not,
structure,
it's not.
It's not
Not
there.
yet.
So yes, it's just we created at the Informatica level. From here, after creating this table, what you have to do? You have to go to database, then create table, right? TGT_AGG with some columns. You have to execute one DDL statement, right? Manually. So you can write those DDL statements manually, or else from Informatica side you can create this same structure in the database. Whatever the structure we have created here, right?
Yeah.
See, now go to here, generate and execute SQL option I have. I have created this structure in Informatica. This structure is not available in the database. Now what I will do is go to here, generate and execute SQL. Not connected to target. Connect it. Where you are planning to create. I am planning to create it in the Oracle database. In the Oracle database, I am planning to create in the star schema. Connect. See, we have connected to Oracle database. See, now generate and execute SQL. See, create table TGT_AGG, total salary, number of 10,2.
But you already ran it once, so that's why it's complaining.
No, already with the same table, there is a table is available with the same table name. That's the problem. So what I will do is, I will create TGG underscore AGG underscore 1 or something, just for our understanding purpose. Now, generate and execute SQL. See, statement processed, SQL statement processed. See, how this statement is creating. Your Informatica will create this statement, and this script, the DDL, will be executed onto your database. So if you go and check your target table now, the table will be created here. Select. Getting my point?
Means when you are moving your code between different environments like dev, SID, and
Yes.
production, so you have to
Yes.
keep all your tables first.
Yes, we have to create all the tables in the database, definitely. So all these DDLs we have to attach to your deployment request.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So it's when you are talking about deployment, we have to take care about all these things. If you have any Unix related stuff, or if you have any new tables, everything we have to consider. Okay, sir. See, like this. Now, this is, see, sigma. Sigma means aggregate functions in mathematics, right? See, f of x is expression, and sigma, we will call it as a sigma, right, in our 9 plus or 10 plus. This is the symbol for the aggregator transformation. See, take all the data from here to here. What is your target table expectation? What is your target table? You are expecting only total salaries, right? Here, go and create total salary. One more column here. Make it as the output port. Total salary. It's a decimal of 10,2. When you are talking about total salary, how we will get it? Sum of salary. See, if you see aggregate functions, we have average, count, first, last, max, median, min, percentage, standard deviation, sum, and variance. These are the aggregate functions we can use in the aggregator transformation. Clear, sir? Yeah. As of now, just I am using the sum of salary and connect this to target table. Okay. See, mapping is done. Before that, let me go to your target table. What is your target table name? See, say suppose already existing target table structure is there, right? Say suppose I want to modify the existing target table structure in the database. Getting my point? My target table is there in the database. The same structure I have here. I am doing some data types modification or something. Now what I will do is generate and execute SQL. See, create table and drop table also you have option. If you select drop table, already existing table will be dropped and new table will be created. See, first drop table TGT underscore AG is the SQL statement processed, then create table is processed. See, if you want to modify your target table structure, yes, you can modify, you can add columns or you can change the data types, and whatever the changes you are doing at the Informatica side, using that option, again you can drop the existing table in the database and you can recreate the new table. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So going forward again we'll see. So now TGT is our target table. This is our target table. Fine. Now create another workflow for this one. Workflow underscore AGG. What is our mapping name? M_aggregator is our mapping name. Fine. How many records now it will be loaded into your target table?
One.
record.
Only one record. See. See, from 14 records it is taking, 14 records employee salary it is calculating, only total salary it is loading into your target table. Now go your target table. See 29025. Next into your target table. Okay, say suppose you want to load department wise sum of salaries. Get it? Department wise salaries you are planning to load. Say suppose your target table is having another column.
We can't just, I have questions.
Yes.
Can you directly drag from department number to the target table?
No sir, no sir. No, it won't come.
Okay.
There should be a column, see? The decimal up to, let me put it to decimal up to. Okay? Sorry. Okay, see, department number I am connecting and total salary I am connecting. See, I have 3 departments data, right? If you see here, select, start from EMP, order by DEPT number. See, I have 14 records. In the set of 14 records, 3 records belongs to department equal to 10. Remaining records belongs to department equal to 20 and remaining records employees are working in DEPT equal to 30. I want to know department wise sum of salaries. If you consider DEPT equal to 20, how much salaries you are going to pay. So this is one group. So for this group, what are the salaries? 800, 1100, 3000 plus 3000. So this type of situations. Go to expression, department, and what we see, we have one option here in the expression transformation. Group by. Are you getting, sir? If you open your expression aggregator transformation now, how you are planning to expect? See, earlier case, all 14 records I am treating as a single group. Now, all 14 records I am treating as different groups based on the DEPT number. So that's the reason I am going to select group by and DEPT number. That's the reason the very first day I told you, right? If you are working on Informatica, you will see lot of Oracle flavor. If you know Oracle, just learning Informatica is a very easy thing. Okay, just see DEPT number. Fine. Save it. Now, run your job. Now, target table structure is modified, right? Now, what we have to do again? Again, go and generate execute SQL. Again, graph table and create table. See, existing table will be dropped and new table structure will be created in the database. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine. So these are the options that we can create like this. Targets from the Informatica. Using Informatica, you can create targets. So start your job. See, from source we are getting 14 records. DEPT equal to 10 is one group, 20 equal to second group, 30 equal to third group. So 3 records loading into your target table. If you want, just check the target table data now. See, for the DEPT 10 employees, we are paying 8750. For 20, we are paying this much salaries. For 30th employees, see, where so all these salaries, nothing but 9400. Right, sir? So, but I told you, Informatica, how it will process Informatica? Informatica will process row by row, right? Always data.
Yes.
Informatica, when you are seeing lookups, sorry, the filters or routers or expressions, Informatica will process data row by row, right? But where this aggregate functions is happening, all these group by sum of salaries, minimum of salaries, maximum of salaries. So what's happening, we will see it. say suppose this is our source table data. I have say suppose 6 records in my source table. Okay, so when you are starting the first, and I am taking a aggregator transformation, here I am creating total salary as the output column. Here the condition is sum of salary, and the group by on DEPT number I am selecting in my aggregator. Yeah, the very first record from source will come into source qualifier. So this record will go to target table, no, right? We have to take all the source records, right? Then only we can do the, for DEPT equal to 10, how much salaries we are paying, sir? 10 means 1000, again 2500, total 3500 rupees we are paying for the DEPT number equal to 10 and total salary equal to 3500. So, but Informatica will process data always row by row, right? So, what will happen is, whenever you are using, we have some cache functionality. It's an internal memory mechanism, cache. So this record, see, if it is other transformation, whatever the record is coming into expression, it is going to next target level, right? But here what will happen is, this record will be inserted into aggregated cache, temporary files we have. Okay, now second record will come from source. Again, this record will come and will be inserted into your aggregated cache. Like this, if you have 1 lakh records in your source, all records will come and will be inserted into cache. Okay, it's a backend functionality, sir. Aggregator transformation backend functionality. It has the internal memory, it's like what we call caches. So this data is coming into cache. Now, what is your condition? Group by DEPT number, we are expecting total salary, right? How many groups we have here by seeing this data?
3.
3, right? What are those groups, sir?
10, 20, 30.
10, 20, 30. How you are giving that information? By looking at complete data, right? We have just 6 records, so we can able to give the answer. But if I have 1 million records in my cache, in that case, see, as of now, just I have 6 records, okay. 100 Kiran belongs to 10th group and 103 Raju belongs to 10th group. But if you have millions of data, there should be a mechanism to find out all the 10th department records, right? The mechanism is, after building the cache with all your source records, Informatica will, what it will do is, it will take the first record and it will do the scan with the second record. 10 equal to 20. These are the matching records? No, right?
No.
No. Then it will take 10 equal to 30. No, it's not a matching record. Then it will do 10 equal to 10. Yes, these two belong to a single group, right? So what Informatica will do is, will flag those 2 records. Okay, then it will scan with the remaining records, 10 equal to 30, 10 equal to 30. Okay, it's completed complete scanning. Then it's find out 2 records for the 10th group. Okay, 10, 10. Then it will send those records to output, 10, 3500. Because these are the 2 group records belongs to 10th group, right? So then it will process the first group and this record will be inserted into target table. 10 and DEPT number equal to 10 and total salaries we are paying for that particular department is 3500. Now once first record is completed, it will take the second record, 20 equal to 30. No, we don't have a matching record. So already this record is flagged, right? It will skip the flagged records and it will do the remaining records again. 20 equal to 30. No, both are not matching record. 20 equal to 20. Yes, it's find a matching record. These 2 records belong to again same group. Again flag those 2 records. Then DEPT number equal to 20 and the total salaries in the DEPT number equal to 20, 20 and 3000 and 1500, 4500. This record will be inserted into target table. Getting, sir? See, Informatica is a row by row processor, right? But somewhere there should be a staging to calculate all these group by activities. Minimum of salary, max of salary. That's the reason aggregator transformation internally will have caches actually. Caches means it's a temporary file. So all the source records, if you have 1 million records, it will read 1 million records one by one into your aggregated cache. After building the cache, it will do the scanning to find out a particular department records. Then process that record. Then it will process for the remaining records. So this is the processor. So for the 30th also it will do same process and it will insert 30. See if you see 30 and 30. Sorry sir, it's 30 means 2000 and 1500, 3500. Okay, it's not 5000. So that salary, total salaries. So getting clear sir, aggregate functionality.
Yeah, I had one more question.
Yes.
Is it not necessary to actually sort the group by columns?
Yes sir, it's there. So it's a performance issue. See, if you are using aggregator transformation means it's a bottleneck. It's a performance issue because from source say suppose I am expecting 1 million records. Okay. So what's happening? Say suppose if you have millions records, first record from source coming. See, if you have millions of records in your source table, what is going to happen then? So we are getting first record. First record will come into aggregator. Here aggregator is cache is building with the first record. Say suppose if you have millions of records, your cache will be built with millions of records. Until completion of your cache building, your job is not performing anything, right? It's not doing anything. It is waiting, right? It's waiting to build up your cache. It's a bottleneck, sir. If you have 1 million records or 10 million records in real time, your job is waiting to complete the cache building work, right?
Yeah.
Until that time, your job is not performing anything. So that's a performance issue. So how to improve aggregator functionality, we will see it, sir. First, understand the aggregator functionality. So it's clear. If you are clear, I will move with the performance steps. So any doubts here? So clear, sir? Yeah, fine. So now open aggregator transformation functionalities. Open aggregator transformation. Here we have group by option. On group by we will give the DAPT number, whatever is named group. If we go to properties, see we have the aggregated data cache size and aggregated data cache index cache size. Okay, options. See, I am talking about cache, right? Actually, just for understanding, I am creating cache like this. Actually, 2 caches will be created backend. Okay, the first cache is the data cache and the second cache is the index cache. What is your group by column? DEPT number, right? All this group by data will be loaded into your index cache. All your non-group by information you have, right? Remaining data. This information will be loaded into your
Data cache.
Okay, sir. When you are talking about cache, just for understanding purpose, I have created single cache. Actually, it's a combination of 2 caches. Okay. If you see all this group by information, this will be loaded into index cache. All non-group by information, name, number, name, and salary. All this is non-group by information will be loaded into data cache. So,
how will it relate then from data cache to index cache?
Internally, just see first it will arrange the see whenever it's doing cache scanning, it will scan that 10 equal to 10, 20 equal to 20. But internally again it has the mechanism, sir. That's the tool functionality internally.
Okay.
So internally it will do the scanning, then it will send out the group by records one by one. But internally again it's split into 2 caches actually.
So probably what it's doing in one cache is just storing the raw data, and another one is it basically adding as it sees the row. It sees where it
Yes,
belongs and
excellent.
just add
Yes,
to that.
definitely there should be some link between data cache and index cache. 10 equal to 10 or something it will do, and it will fetch the related data. When it is creating caches, it has the internal capacity. That's my understanding. We cannot see the complete internal how it is working on them, but we have the two types of cache interface. Okay, and if you have millions of data, by default it's auto. You can increase the size also. That's a different case. And we have an option called sorted input. See? Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So if you enable the sorted input, what will happen? We'll see it.
So it's in this PM cache directory, it's creating files, right? When it sorts the data and
Yes, yes.
creates index files, right?
Yes,
yeah.
Yes, it's a cache directory. You find to your Informatica installation directory. See, when you are installing Informatica in your system, by default, see all these folders will be created. This is my server directory, and info shared. We have cache directory, right? So this is your cache directory.
Yeah, yeah. So
This
one
is
for
pointing
data.
to $PM that cache directory.
Mm-hmm.
Going forward, if you have any source files, target files, it's a standard mechanism. In a project, you can maintain different session log files, parameter files, log files, workflow logs, bad files directory, backup files, script files. So everything will store in the related folders actually. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have the again sorted input option. If you enable that sorted input option, whatever the complete functionality we are seeing, right? The complete functionality is going to change, sir. Aggregator cache functionality is. In that way, the performance will be very high if you use the sorted input option. So backend, the process is completely different. We will see in tomorrow's class. Okay? It will take. Yeah.
We are pushing more work to the database to sort the data first, or whatever your source is.
Sorry, when you are using that sorted.
So it means then whatever your source is, in this case, for example, Oracle, then Oracle will have to do more work before spitting out the data because it has to sort it first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, from database you can select the sorted data, or else I have a transformation called C A to Z or Z to A. Just a sorted transformation.
Okay.
Okay. I will take all the source data. I will pass this data to the sorted transformation just by order. If you open the sorted transformation, based on the say suppose based on the DEPT number, I am selecting SN. Based on the DEPT number, I am planning to sort my data. Select DEPT number as key. Whenever you are selecting, by default ascending will come. If you want descending, just select it. It's a simple sorter transformation. So all 14 records will come to here. Again, sorter will have the internal cache. See? So, and it will arrange the data in the sorted order. Based on the DEPT number, it will send all the data in the sorted order to the next transformation.
Yeah.
Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you want number of columns also, you can do the ascending or descending.